Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Take It Simple. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download Remitly app for iPhone. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First of all, open the Apple App Store on your phone. Once you do that, you're gonna see options like Today, Games, Apps, Arcade and Search. Tap on Search, then go to Search bar. Then go ahead and type in Remitly on the search bar. Then select the option saying Remitly Money Transfer and Send. Once you do that, you're gonna get a bunch of options there. Select the first option, then look for the button Get or Backup. Go ahead, tap on it, then your iPhone will start downloading Remitly app. And guys, that's it. That's how you download Remitly app on your iPhone. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.